battle of the minds. Our entire world, this entire universe, is just a battle of the minds. And who's winning it right now? Not the people. Who's controlling your mind? The mind that's controlling the majority of the people right now. What have they done? They're actually controlling people's thoughts. They're controlling their minds. They're making them believe in something that doesn't even exist. But because they believe it exists, their entire actions and everything they do in life are affected. They are living on this mind control thing. Who's controlling your mind? How is your mind being controlled? Well, the who's a big question. That goes above a hidden hand that we don't see. But they're doing it through TV, media, radio, movies. Over decades, you're slowly getting your mind controlled, which creates the perception, the one world lie that's happening right now. And what has happened throughout history, they've known how to control the mind. So truly, what's going on now is just a battle of the minds. You want to win? Get control of your own mind. Focus on the things you want to see come into fruition. Be aware of these mind control programs that's going on in the world. For example, if nobody had a TV or radio, no media outlet, newspapers, we wouldn't know there's a virus. Nobody would know. And you wouldn't know anything's wrong because nobody around you, you wouldn't see anybody dying. Nothing's changed except the perception. They've made everyone believe it's there. What's happening around the world, you can't say, but what's happening right in front of you is all you can judge it by. And I'm guaranteeing everybody in Australia, nothing's happening. They're seeing nothing. And if they have seen one or two deaths happen all the time. They're just giving credit to this COVID killer virus out there that's now freaking everyone out, making them scared and making them react. As I said before, no one's living in action now. They're living in reaction to the lies being told. So, where is this so-called virus? It's in the mind. Who's controlling your mind? Who's feeding your mind with your belief system? Are you really making choices in life? Are you choosing what to do? Look at your favorite restaurants. They advertise all the time. They use colors, sounds, and a non-stop bombardment of your mind to convince you to go and eat there. Even though it's crap food, people go and eat there. They know the mind control. You don't even hear the subliminal messages coming through. Everyone knows if you play certain songs backwards, things are said to control the mind, to program your mind. They know the colours, they know the sounds, the smells, the taste, the five senses to manipulate to get control of your mind, and we have no idea they're doing it. So the truth is, the only virus is the infection of the mind.